Hi, I'm your field corpus... Corsa? I'm your reporter, Wendy Breezy. We're here in Outland with Mr. Barley Frothbeard to talk about flying mounts. Helping us today will be our intern, P. Didymus.
Yo.
So, Mr. McFrothbeard.
Call me Barley, you wee trollop.
So, Barley, what level would you have to be for this kind of mount?
Well, let's put it this way. If you're not level 70, go home!
So could you tell us a little about the testing phase that led to your success?
Oh yeah! Early on we tested lots of different prototypes.
Fly! Fly! Oh, please fly! Ah!
Of course it wasn't an exact science, you know.
Hey, dragon. I'm gonna mount you. Stop, drop, and roll! Ah!
Sounds like a lot of trial and mistakes.
Don't you mean trial and error?
Sure thing. So exactly how does someone get a flying mount?
All kinds of different ways. Quests, reputation. Oh, where was I? Oh, shopkeepers, or a combination of those.
Super. So I understand you're going to show us how to fly one.
Hell, I'm flying already!
Woohoo!
That's Bad Daddy's a nether drake. I call him Spanky. The only drawback to these babies is they don't have cup holders. Tiny man, hold this. All right now, let's get this party started!
Now let's go to Strongbone in our no-news gyrocopter.
Strongbone standing by!
Oh, my head's gone all flattery!
Strongbone thinks this dwarf is nuts!
Oh yeah! I can't wait to fly Spanky on tomorrow!
Strongbone thinks he forgot! These mounts only exist in Outland!
That baby corner's like she's on rails! Ah! What's this? Permission to buzz the
Strongbone
tower!
says negative! Don't buzz the tower!
Woohoo! I'm going ballistic! You couldn't hit the front side of a barn, you dodgy-eyed halfwits!
Wendy, back to you. Strongbone wants to go home.
Thanks, Strongbone. Okay, well, let's watch the landing.
I said you could hold me ale, not drink it! I'm gonna make you ornament, you big-eared git! Yeah!